Have you guys ever noticed how someone who exudes confidence just seems to have more things go their way? There is a powerful reason for that. Our mindset shapes our reality. So if you want to boost your confidence, one of the best places to start is with cultivating a more positive outlook. Your mind, a fertile garden. Imagine your mind as a garden. You can choose to plant seeds of positivity, thoughts of encouragement, gratitude, and belief in your own self. Or you can let weeds take over. Those critical voices, self-doubt, and focusing on what's wrong. Which kind of garden do you think will produce stronger, more resilient growth? The inner critic versus the supportive friend. We all have an inner critique. That voice comes from different places. Maybe the past criticism stuck within you, or you always set impossibly high standards for yourself. The problem is, if that harsh critic is constantly running the show, it erodes your confidence bit by bit. We need to shift the power dynamic. Imagine having a supportive, kind friend by your side. They celebrate wins, cheer you on when you stumble, and remind you of your strengths. Wouldn't that feel amazing? The goal is to become that friend for your own self. Mindset makeover, practical tools. All right, let's get practical. Here are a few tools for tending your mental garden. Thought stopping. When a negative thought pops up, I'll never be good at this. Consciously say stop to it and replace it with something more neutral or encouraging. This is challenging, but I'm learning. Gratitude journaling. Every day write 3 things you are grateful for. This rewires your brain to scan for the positive, making it harder for negativity to dominate. Positive affirmations. These are short, powerful statements you repeat to yourself, such as, I'm capable, I'm worthy of love. At first, they might feel cheesy, but over time, they start to sink in. Let's have a look towards an example. Perhaps you struggle with procrastination. Instead of beating yourself up with, I'm so lazy, try a kinder approach. I want to feel good about this project. What one small step can I take just right now? The ripple effect of positivity. Cultivating a positive mindset isn't just about feeling happier. Though that's important as well, it directly impacts confidence. When you believe in yourself, you take more chances, you bounce back quickly from setbacks. You start to see possibilities instead of just obstacles.